Last night, one youngster, a 21-year-old youth, who went inside one restaurant at night around 12:30. He all of a sudden fell down and everybody got panicked. He was rushed out and was taken to the hospital and was declared dead. So we were all worried what was the case all about. And today's report, which is yet to come out public, but we were continuously following up what was the report all about through police and also through Goa Medical College. It is a youngster who got a heart attack. This is what I've been telephonically told. And as alleged, and a lot of social media comments that it was a drug overdose or something like that. There is nothing, no foul play. The boys who were with him have already told that he had low blood pressure problem. So let the report be out formally from the doctor who has conducted the postmortem, and things will be very clear before the public. Let it come in public domain. But as I was cautioned today morning, so I said if it was any other case, police will deal with it very strongly. But it is ruled out. It is a case of a heart attack, which is being told to me by sources from Goa Medical College and also by the police department. So there was no foul play as far as any other substance is concerned, consuming of any other substance.